the results from rank number 5, Division K4, 6-year-old boys novice kata. In third place, Jeremy Lopanek. Also in third place, Daniel Zadowski. In second place, James Diaz. And your 2013 Junior International Cup winner is John Dorta. Attention, all 10-year-old boys and girls kata competitors, please report to staging. All 10-year-old boys and girls,
We're having a problem with that light.
please report.